Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to SRICS English tutorial. Today I'll continue with explanation of Act 3, Scene 2, Part 4. As I've already told you, that video would have been longer if I've continued the whole scene in one video, so I've divided into 5 parts. I have already finished, I've already done video on three parts explanation of this scene, and now it is the fourth part, that is, now we will start. So, we have ended where in the last video we have ended where Antony has lifted up the cloak of Caesar, and he has exposed Caesar's body with lot of stabbings and wound by the conspirators. So the first citizen says, "Oh, piteous spectacle!" Plebeian is citizen. So they see when he has lifted up the mantle, when he has removed the clothing, and the first citizen says, "Oh, piteous, such a pity sight, such a miserable sight." Second citizen says, "Oh, noble Caesar." Third citizen, "Woeful day, very sad day." Fourth citizen, "Oh, most bloody sight, such a scene full of blood." Second plebeian again says, "We will be revenged." We here means we want. Will be means want. We want revenge. Citizens, revenge. About. So let's take revenge. Seek means find out the conspirators. Burn their house. Kill, fire, kill, slay. Let not a traitor live. Not a single traitor should be alive. Now Antony says, "Stay, countrymen." Stay means wait. Don't be so impulsive. Don't take a hasty decision. First plebeian, "Peace here, there, hear the noble Antony." He says, okay, let us hear Antony. Second plebeian, "We'll hear him, we'll follow him, we'll die with him." Now, this is the capacity, or this is the power of Antony's speech. Now all are with Antony. Antony, "Good friends, sweet friends, let me not stir you up. Let me not stir you up. Let me not excite you to such a sudden flood of mutiny. I don't want to excite you. I don't want to drag you into a sudden mutiny, revolt against the conspirators, those who have killed Caesar. That they have done this deed are honorable." They refers to the conspirators. Those who have killed Caesar, they all are respectable men, honorable men. Antony continues, "What private griefs they have, alas, I know not." What private griefs here means what personal grievances. Griefs here means grievances, complaint. I don't know what personal complaint they have against Caesar that made them do it. What grudge they had against Caesar. What are the points they had against Caesar that they had to kill him. They are wise and honorable. They are wise people. They are honorable people, and will no doubt with reasons answer you. And they will give you reasons. They will give you good reason why they have murdered Caesar. What made them murder Caesar? Antony continues, "Come not, friends, to steal away your hearts." Then, "Come not, friends. I am not an orator. I have not come to capture your heart. I have not come to make an impression in your heart, because I am not a good speaker as Brutus is. I am not a good speaker, good orator, a public speaker like Brutus. But as you know me all, a plain, blunt man, blunt, ordinary. I am a just ordinary, a common citizen just like you, that love my friend. What is the special quality I have? That I loved Caesar. And that they know full well, the conspirators, they know that I love Caesar very much, that gave me public leave, and for that only, that reason, that I blindly love Caesar, they have given me leave to speak of him, that to attend this public meeting." Antony continues, "Have neither wit nor words nor worth." I don't have wit, I don't have any intelligence, nor words. I can't speak with good words, nor worth. Worth here means authority. I don't have that much power. Action nor utterance. Action means gestures. Utterance means elocution. I cannot give such a brilliant speech. I don't have so much stock of words. Nor the power of speech, nor expression. I don't have the power of expression. I don't have any gesture. I am not a good speaker like Antony. Even I don't have the authority also to stir men's blood, to persuade anyone, to influence anyone. I only speak right on. I only speak right on directly. Only what I know, I directly speak. I tell you that which you yourselves do know, which you yourselves also already know. I will only tell you that. Antony continues, show you sweet Caesar's wounds, I'll show you Caesar's wounds. Poor, poor, dumb mouths. So Caesar's wounds are like mouths, that is dumb, unable to speak. And bid them speak for me, and they are requesting the wounds of Caesar. The wounds of Caesar are persuading me, are requesting me to speak on their behalf. But were I Brutus and Brutus Antony, there were an Antony would ruffle up your spirits. So, if I were Brutus, if I had the capacity of good speech, good power of speech, had I been like Brutus, a good orator, and Brutus Antony, that means I could have filled you, then there were Antony, then that Antony. If I were Brutus, that I could have spoken so well. I have the power of speech. I could explain you very good. And Brutus Antony, and had Brutus been the quality of Antony, then there were an Antony, then that Antony who has the quality of Brutus's speech, who had the quality of Brutus's elocution, oration, would ruffle up your spirits. I, in place of Brutus, had I been that good speaker, I would have ruffled up, excited you, your spirits, and put a tongue. I would have given the power of speech to every wound of Caesar. I would have spoken so well that it would appear as if Caesar's wounds are speaking. That should move the stones of Rome, even the stones of Rome, the unmovable, the inanimate object, to rise and mutiny. With my power of speech, I could have put feeling on unfeeling things and would have rose them to riot, to revolt, to bring a revolution against the conspirators. Citizens, we will mutiny, we will revolt. Okay, we will do it, definitely do it. We will burn the houses of Brutus. We will burn Brutus's house. Third plebeian. Away then, come, seek the conspirators. Let us find out. Let us find out the conspirators. So till here I stop my video today. We'll continue in the last part, that is only part 5, and then I'll finish this scene. So if you have liked this explanation, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.